Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to make website font bigger on iPhone. First, open Safari and let's say for example I would like to increase the font size of Quora. All you have to do is tap on the capital and common A in the search bar. Then you're going to see A 100% as you can see right here. And you're going to simply tap on the capital A and you can see 115, 125, and as I increase the percentage you can see the font size is increasing also, and that's how to do it. And you can do this for any website once you're using Safari on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.